Okay, for this exercise, we're going to learn a couple things. This is a CD cover. I just followed the specifications in the exercise, which we should be familiar with by now. It's the preset for a CD cover, and then you just add the bleed and the margin settings in your new document options dialog. So, oh, whoops. And then after that, we can learn something new. Fit guides, let's see, layout, create guides. Layout, create guides. So instead of drawing your own guides, you can actually have some put in by the computer generated, the number of rows that you want. I see I want one row. Was it 2 rows? 2 rows and 2 columns with 0 gutters. So I'm going to bring this down to 0, 0, and then make sure that it's fit to margins, not to page, and then say OK. So that's one way to quickly get margins or guides on the page to help guide you for placing your objects. And then after that, we're going to draw an object. Let's see, a polygon. So if I just click, 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 click. Okay, thank you. I'm going to have 6 sides. Nope, whoops, that's the width. Okay, I want it with 6 sides and an inset of 0 because I don't want the star. Okay, and then I can just draw it. Let's see. All right, I held shift to constrain it so that it would be perfectly proportioned. And then now I'm gonna just kind of align it, make it fill the margin area, and then let's see, align it to the bottom margin there. Okay, with room on the top. And then I'm going to grab my tape tool, click inside this pentagon. Is it pentagon? No, hexagon? I'm not sure. Hexagon, I guess, because it's 6 sides. And then right click it or control click it to fill with placeholder text, which we've done before. And then let's see, Control B, Command B gets my text frame options. I'm just going to make it 2 columns with a gutter of, let's see, 1.25. Okay, so now I have my hexagon shape, and then they said get rid of returns so that you have this perfectly shaped text. And actually, if you select all, Control or Command A, and then do justified in your paragraph settings, justified, then it should fill edge to edge and give the shape better form, if that makes sense. And then what I'm going to do is, okay, just quickly change the font to what was specified in the book, and then I got to quickly place saying quickly everything because I'm trying to get it done in 5 minutes. I got to place the image that goes in the background and send it to back, object, arrange, send it back. Oops, yeah, there we go. So now what I want to do is turn the text white so I can see it. So I'm going to grab my type tool, I just press T on my keyboard, click inside, Control or Command A, and then change the color. Where's the color? There you are. To paper, which basically knocks it out. Let's see. And then what else? Oh yes. There's something else. Oh yes, we're going to change the opacity of it. So I need to get out of type mode, grab my selection tool and make sure my hexagon is selected, and then go up to the control panel. It should have changed now to accommodate, and over here it is my opacity slider, and I can change the transparency of the object, whatever object is selected. And so I'm going to knock it down to 50. I can even type 50 just so that this text, which is now illegible, can be more of a texture. It's more decorative now. It's just a design element for the CD cover. That's my preview. And it's, yeah, so you can do that with any object.